Imagine owning a stock that lets you invest like Warren Buffett himself, without needing billions of dollars. Berkshire Hathaway, or BRKB, has been a wealth-building machine for decades. But should it be in your portfolio? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what makes BRKB unique, and whether it's the right investment for you. Berkshire Hathaway wasn't always the financial giant it is today. It started as a struggling textile company before Warren Buffett took over and transformed it into one of the most powerful holding companies in the world. Now it owns or invests in dozens of well-known businesses, from Geico to Coca-Cola to Apple. Berkshire Hathaway has two stock classes, BRKA and BRKB. BRKA is the original stock, trading for over $500,000 per share. But don't worry, BRKB is the more affordable alternative, giving you access to the same legendary portfolio at a fraction of the price. So, what do you actually own when you buy BRKB? Berkshire is a holding company, meaning it owns a diverse mix of businesses. This includes 100% ownership of companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and BNSF Railway, plus massive stock investments in giants like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Bank of America. Investors love BRKB for a few key reasons. 1. It's run by Warren Buffett and his team, arguably the greatest investors of all time. 2. It offers built-in diversification across industries. 3. It's known for steady, long-term growth with lower volatility compared to tech-heavy stocks. Historically, BRKB has outperformed the market. While it may not see wild swings like Tesla or Nvidia, it's built to generate wealth steadily over decades. Think of it like the tortoise in the investing race, slow and steady, but highly reliable. Let's be real. One of the biggest reasons people invest in BRKB is because of Warren Buffett. His long-term, value-driven approach has made Berkshire one of the most respected companies in the world. But here's something to consider. Buffett is in his 90s, so what happens when he's no longer in charge? Buffett has already planned for the future. Greg Abel, a longtime Berkshire executive, is set to take over leadership. While no one can truly replace Buffett, the company is structured for long-term stability, even beyond his time. But before you rush to buy BRKB, consider the risks. Unlike many other stocks, Berkshire doesn't pay dividends. It reinvests all its profits. Also, while its size makes it stable, it also means growth isn't as explosive as smaller, high-growth stocks. And finally, Berkshire has a huge concentration in just a few stocks, mainly Apple. BRKB is perfect for long-term investors who want stability and trust Warren Buffett's approach. It's not for people chasing fast gains, but if you're looking to build generational wealth, it's a solid option. If you're interested in buying BRKB, it's as simple as opening a brokerage app, searching for BRKB, and making your purchase. Just remember, investing is a long-term game. Think like Buffett, and you'll be ahead of most investors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. We break down investing so you can make smarter financial decisions. Join the Opportunity Odyssey community and start building your financial future today. As always, this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making investment decisions.